Let's make Mexican street style tacos but with chicken. The authenticity, please start scrolling down the video. This is just how I make them. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box below as well. So if you think the video is too fast for you, you can just look at the recipe written in the description box. I've used chicken breast here, but you can use chicken thigh here as well. Add all the ingredients to it. The chipotle paste, I found it in Asda, and I think you can find it in Tesco and Sainsbury as well. Marinate the chicken for minimum 1 hour or overnight in the fridge. So I couldn't find jalapeños, so I use green chili here. Make your life easier and make this with whatever ingredients you can find actually. The reason I say this is I don't want to make the recipe too hard for anyone, so they just think that, oh, we cannot make it. So I just stir fry the chicken here in a pan. You can air fry it or grill it as well. When you're making the chicken, make sure to cook all the onions along with the chicken as well because they taste really good. Once the chicken is done, shred it with a fork. Then I made a quick salsa, very simple, nothing fancy here. Mix everything and set it aside. I found these very cute mini tortilla wraps in Tesco, and I think you can find them in Sainsbury as well. Once the wraps were ready, I assembled everything, added the chicken, added the salsa, added the green sauce, and I added some sour cream as well. And just garnish with some cilantro or coriander and enjoy.